Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling or disabling automatic system updates on PlayStation 5. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, open System. In System Settings, select the first heading on the left called System Software, and then open System Software Update and Settings. At the bottom of the list here there are two settings: Download update files automatically and Install update files automatically. Select each setting to enable or disable it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.